Well, got some night crawlers. Basically, escaped it to the natural habitat. It's dark water where they come from. That's a lot of driftwood, leaving tannins and mudslides. So right now, they're really displaying their natural colors. But once I switch their food to just shrimp, that would bring out the greens and reds and the blues and purples on all the fishes. I rescued this copper Oscar about 3 days ago. I have another one right here, which is darker. They'll call this one the red one. And the tiger stripe, the small one. And the albino, white and blue and orange. They'll call this a blueberry Oscar. Like the one I used to have a long time ago, about 10 years ago, that was 16 inches long. All the other fish are dark. There's a lot of hiding spots in here. All these live plants in here in the back. But it's a nice size community of each species of cichlids I have. They each got their own little community up in this tank. All right, y'all. If y'all like the video, hit the like button, please. I will continue to put out more information about fishes and other subjects or other playlists. Check those playlists out. It's a lot of different things I talk about besides fishes. I try to help people save money doing the things they do in their hobby. Show y'all the way you could do it yourself. You ain't gotta go crazy doing things you want to do just to fulfill your needs for their hobby. It's for crayfish. That's about 8 inches. It's 4 of them that size. And this is an island. This one big island right here. Mostly all the babies will hang out under this tree. And then right under there, that's a platform. Under there is caves going all around the island with more bigger fish in there. A lot of them are planning and breeding. Anyway, I ain't trying to make the video that long. All right, y'all have a good day.